the high tunnel. June the 23rd, 2026. These are some hardwood hydrangea cuttings I took last year. Coming along fairly nicely. I could put out next year. A couple of eggplants. Lima beans. Growing but not producing anything yet. Some early carrots. Should be able to harvest them soon. And the famous cucumber patch. 3 cucumber lines. 9 cucumbers so far. Nice eggplant. Another nice couple of eggplants. Some have blossoms on them. Pepper plant. Some snapdragons that need planted. Pepper plant. This is cherry tomato. And jelly bean, it's called. Some sweet peas. These are just blossoms for smell. You don't eat them or anything. Some more plants that need put out. Some more snapdragons and some violas. A couple of oak trees that have taken root here. And that's pretty much it.